Guys, welcome back to my channel International Munda. In this video I'm gonna tell you what are the 5 important announcements which is done by the UK governments in this year 2023 and is going to be implemented from the next year. So if you are planning to bring your dependent and family members, and if you are planning to study here, or if you are planning to apply for the PSW, or you're looking for the sponsor job, you must keep in mind these announcements. I'll tell you one by one. Just keep watching this video till end. So guys, the first announcement which is done by the UK government, they clearly mention that to end the abuse of health and care visas, they are going to stop the overseas care worker to bring their families and dependents in this country. And they mention that the care farms which are in England, they should be regulated by Care Quality Commission to provide the sponsored visas to the care workers. And this year's also they are going to increase the annual immigration health surcharge by 66% this year's. Currently the cost is immigration health surcharge cost is £624, which is going to be increased up to £1,035 this year's. They are going to do this just to make sure the migrants who are coming in this country, they should make significant financial contribution for this country. So guys, the second important announcement which is done by the UK government, in which they clearly mention that they are going to stop the immigration from undercutting the salary of British workers, and also they are going to increase the skilled worker earning threshold by third to £38,700 from the next spring, in line with the medium of full-term wages and for those kind of jobs. So guys, if I talk about the third announcement, which is pretty important, and that in which they mention they will scrap cut price shortage labor from overseas, and government will and the 20% going rate salary discount for the shortage occupation, and they will replace the shortage occupation list with a new immigration salary list. Also, the Immigration Advisory Committee will review this new list against the increased salary threshold in order to reduce the number of occupation on that list. So guys, if I talk about the fourth announcement, in which they mention the British citizens who want to bring their family members and their partners to live with them in UK, their minimum income requirement is going to be increased from 18,600 to the 38,700 pounds per year, and this minimum income requirement of which is going to be increased from 18,600 is not going to be increased till 20th of December this year, and the package of measure will take place from the next year's. It means next spring. So guys, the last fifth announcement which is done by the UK government, which is very important for the international students who are planning to come here for the graduation, or already who are here, they are doing masters and the graduations. As you know, like on graduation visa, you will get 2 years of PSW after successfully completing of your graduations. But government nowadays, they are going to restrict the student to bring their dependent and the family members in this country. The changes will not be applied yet, but it's going to be implement I guess from the January, and they're going to restrict the right of the international students to bring their dependent unless they are not completed their post graduations, and they can't be switched on to the PSW until and unless they have completed their studies. So guys, I hope you are clear about the 5 announcements which is done by the UK government, and what are the changes they are going to do from the next years. So keep in mind, if you are coming here or you're planning to study here, or else if you are planning to bring your spouse and family members to live with you and stay with you in this country. If you have any doubts and queries, you can comment in my video, and I will provide you a link as well for the UK immigration website, so that you can click on that and you can directly check all the new updates. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel International Munda. I'll see you next video. Bye bye.